How to hide or unhide following list on your REDnote app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to Net Nimble. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hide and unhide following lists on your REDnote app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your REDnote app. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're on your REDnote app, this is the first interface that you'll be on. Now you will need to head over to the Me section that is on the bottom right corner. After you're on the Me section, you will see a gear icon right besides the Edit Profile option. Tap on it to head over to your settings. Now before I teach you guys what to do next, if you guys are new to Net Nimble, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Now what you'll need to do is head over to Privacy Settings. Now after you're on your privacy settings, scroll down till you find the Relationship section. Under there, you should see following/followers list. Head over there, and now you will see Hide My Following List option. Now, if you simply toggle the button on, your following list is now hidden. Now, to unhide the following list again, you'll simply need to turn off this toggle button, and you're basically good to go. And it's that simple. And that is all for the video too. That is how you hide or unhide following list on REDnote app. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.